Wearable health technology is no longer just a trend, it's becoming a lifestyle. From tracking your sleep and heart rate to real-time health monitoring for chronic diseases, wearable devices are transforming India's healthcare landscape. With digital health adoption rising across cities, startups in this space are finding strong demand, smart customers, and investor interest. The ecosystem is ready. You just need the right roadmap to enter. From preventive care to chronic illness management, wearables are bridging the gap between people and proactive healthcare. In today's video, we're diving into a full step-by-step guide on how to start wearable health technology business in India. Here's what we'll cover: target audience market research and analysis, marketing and sales strategies, financial planning with profit margin funding and investment options, legal registrations and documentation, and how our team at Market Research Universe, MRU, can help you at every step. Let's get started. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Who exactly will buy or use your wearable health device? Here's your core audience: urban youth and millennials focused on fitness, working professionals managing stress, heart rate or sleep, seniors who need regular monitoring of BP, glucose, ECG, parents tracking kids' wellness, hospitals and telehealth providers, health insurers promoting preventive care, companies offering employee wellness benefits. This range allows you to design products that are lifestyle-focused, medically compliant, or a smart blend of both. To succeed in health tech, you need to understand the market pulse. The global wearable health tech market is worth $90.21 billion and growing at a 12.4% CAGR, and India is catching up fast. India is experiencing a rise in lifestyle diseases like diabetes and hypertension, growing demand for real-time remote health monitoring, rapid growth in smartphone usage and app-based health platforms, government-backed initiatives like the National Digital Health Mission. Also, keep an eye on competitors like GoChi, Ultrahuman, and Noise. Research what they're doing and find your gap. Now, let's talk about getting your product into people's hands. Marketing strategies, digital campaigns, Instagram, Google Ads, YouTube influencer reviews, healthcare webinars and demos, content marketing, blogs, case studies, testimonials, sales strategies, D2C model, launch through your own app and website, online platforms, Amazon, Flipkart, Tata 1 mg, offline channels, health retail stores, electronics chains, B2B deals, partner with hospitals, insurance companies, gyms, and corporates. Build trust by educating your audience, because health is personal. Let's break down your business finances. Estimated initial investment, rupees 60 to 90 lakhs. This includes R&D and prototyping, estimated between rupees 10 to 15 lakhs. Product manufacturing, first batch, around rupees 20 to 25 lakhs. App and software development between rupees 10 to 20 lakhs. Marketing and branding, estimated at rupees 5 to 10 lakhs. Team salaries for 6 months, around rupees 15 to 20 lakhs. Legal and compliance, approximately rupees 1 to 2 lakhs. Ongoing costs, customer support, inventory management, app updates and cloud hosting. Expected profit margins, hardware sales 30-40%, app subscriptions 50-60%, B2B licensing 60-70%. With the right model, your business can be both impactful and profitable. Funding is critical, especially in hardware-led businesses. Here are your options: self-funding or friends, family for early stages, angel investors in health or hardware tech, venture capital focused on med tech or wearable tech. Startup accelerators, T-Hub, NASCOM, or Google for startups. Government schemes, O Startup India Seed Fund or Make in India for electronics or digital health mission grants. Make sure you have a working prototype, a strong pitch deck, and a clear monetization plan before approaching investors. Before you start selling, you need to be legally set up. Steps to incorporate. 1. Choose your business type. PVT Lieutenant is recommended 1. Register with Ministry of Corporate Affairs. MCA 1. Get PAN, TAN, and open a current account 1. Apply for GST and Import-Export Code 1. Get BIS certification, if electronics involved. 1. Comply with medical device rules, if applicable 1. Protect your innovation with IP or patents 1. Ensure data privacy compliance, especially if handling health records. This builds credibility and keeps you investor ready. To pitch to investors or partners, keep these documents handy. Business Incorporation Certificate, financial projections for 3-5 years, market feasibility and competitor analysis, technical and product documentation, BIS/CE/FCC certifications, legal contracts and privacy policies, a killer pitch deck. The more organized you are, the faster you'll move forward. Feeling ready but unsure where to begin? That's where Market Research Universe, MRU, comes in. We're your full-stack partner in launching and scaling a wearable health tech business. Real-time market research reports, feasibility and forecast models, investor-ready business plans, and pitch decks. Competitive pricing intelligence, go-to-market strategies. Legal and business registration support with MRU. You don't just start, you launch smart.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.